happened,
So
man? Everything good?
it's a little problem with my girlfriend. I go to Canada and I, I don't know how to say her, her girl. No, how to say
You get what's your problem?
she. Well, he want to get pregnant.
Oh, your wife want to get pregnant?
Yeah, she got to get pregnant and
Why? She's pregnant right now?
she's
She's pregnant?
no, she's not pregnant right
What
now.
happened? What happened?
Well, she wants to get pregnant, and I go to Canada, and I don't know what to say. I need a favor with you.
What kind of favor do you want?
If you can get sex with her.
No. It's not good. It's not good, man. You are my friend. Why you want to make sex with your?
No. It's not a real problem. I need your help because I go to Canada and maybe I have to break with her, but she wants to get pregnant because he is in the last time to have babies and
You
that
want
stress me.
you
That
want
stress
me pregnant your girlfriend?
Yeah, please, bro.
No,
Yeah.
no, I can do it, man.
Yeah, please get sex with her, please.
You want me get sex with your girlfriend?
Yeah, please, bro.
Why?
Because she wants to get pregnant. And please, no condom,
Why,
please.
why you choose me?
Because you're my friend, you're my best friend, bro. And I trust you.
You trust me?
Yeah, I trust you.
No. You know why I try to help you because all the black people got the big anaconda.
Yeah, bro, I know it.
Yeah.
And I think she wants to.
Try the big anaconda?
Yeah, she wants to try that.
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
man. I don't know. I will think about
Please
that.
consider that, please. She is
No,
beautiful.
okay, I will try
in
to help
that
you.
manner.
I will try to help you. It's not free. You're supposed to pay me, man. I lost my energy to help you. What, man? Are you supposed to pay me?
It's just maybe 20, 30 minutes and just that.
How
Just
much
that.
you give me?
Yeah, I give you her.
I know. Okay. I know you are my friend. Okay, I will try to help you.
Thank you, bro.
All right.
Thank you.
All
You're
right,
the
no
best.
problem.
You're the best, bro.
Yes. Okay.